की वादियों में ले चलेंगे. So today somehow Google Maps is also bluffing. It's not showing us the correct route, and it is so difficult. We have to stop at some point and ask for the route all over again, because it is just showing U-turn since the time we've started our journey, and I don't know what is happening. 2021 will be all about traveling. So ये एक साल घर पे भी have spent. I will make sure that next year compensates for all these months. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this time it's a bit special to me as this is the first trip after the lockdown got over. I came here for a destination wedding, and in case you have shortlisted Mussoorie, then this is a must place to stay. And all thanks to my friend for arranging things in such a special way for us. And this is how we were greeted, with some band baga, and this is the view wherein we are going to quickly come for the first function. And look at the backdrop, it is so beautiful and so mesmerizing. So this is the lobby section, and once you come here, you can spend hours and hours sitting and watching this view. Now this is the room, and I will quickly give you the glimpse of how the room is. Chilling, very cold, and we reached, it was so warm, and we thought we don't have to worry, but we were already very late, so we had to quickly rush to attend the haldi celebration. And just look at the view, it is so pretty. Fresh air, music, the view, food, what else? Morning function just got over, and it's really refreshing. It's really it's like a needed break after 2-3 hours. So yes, we'll get ready for that in some time, and the wedding is tomorrow, and after that we'll see what we can do more. And as you can see, they're prepping for the wedding tomorrow. This is such a stunning venue for a dream destination wedding in Mussoorie. Now this hotel has a great outdoor venue as well as a grand ballroom that creates a lively ambience for celebration. Keep watching. KOMMYY. Go to browse.